Let me show you how to make Pandas many times faster without changing your code. This is probably going to be one of the best things that you learn today. Like if you are in the Python world, obviously, you know Pandas is probably the most popular library to manipulate, to process data. So I have here a quick example where I'm just going to load the data set. It's a large data set. And we're going to run some queries, and we are going to measure the performance of Pandas on this data set. So I'm going to start here by just importing Pandas. And as you can see here, I'm printing out the name of the library that I'm currently using. So that's Pandas. This is going to download the data set. And the data set is the New York City parking data set from 2022's parking violations. It's a pretty big data set. So I think it's like 1.5 million rows that we have in here. So this section is just going to read this Parquet file. This is the name of the file. And we're only interested in loading these 5 columns here in memory. And then I'm going to print the first few rows from that data set. And notice how I'm timing every single operation here. Like as we go forward, I'm going to keep grabbing and recording how long it takes every one of these operations. I'm going to run this. It's going to take a couple seconds. So here you get the first 5 rows printed out. And I stored how long it took to do that operation in this variable here that we will later use. Okay, so let's run a few queries. This first query here will return which parking violation is the most commonly committed by vehicles from various US states. So let me run this. And we get, all right, so here are the 5 first elements here. So you get the violation, the description, etc. The second query, by the way, again, I just timed that query and I stored it in query 1. Then the second query will return which vehicle body types are the most frequently involved in parking violations. So let's run that. Turns out that Suburbans are the first one, followed by 4-door sedans. So who would have thought? And the final query is how do parking violations vary across days of the weeks? This is probably the most complex query, the query that's going to take the longest. Here's the query. Here I'm printing the top 5 rows, and then I'm timing that query. So here we get Sundays and Saturdays and Mondays, etc. So the final cell of this notebook here just takes all of these values, the time it took to run every single operation, and it sums them. So we get how many seconds total it took Pandas to do this. And again, this is just a very simple example. You can think of like if you have an application that's using Pandas in a more involved way with more data, obviously you can take an idea of how long that's going to take. So the total time here was 12.54 seconds. So I'm going to write that down here just so we remember that was 12.54 seconds. And now comes the trick, okay? So I'm going to be using FireDucks. So FireDucks is here in GitHub. I'm going to leave a link to the repo somewhere here. FireDucks is going to accelerate our code without having to change anything. That's the important thing. So I'm going to add here a new cell, put it at the top, and let's install FireDucks. So that's going to be quiet. Uninstall if it already exists. FireDucks, sorry, I made a mistake here. So I'm going to install the FireDucks library, and then I can replace this line. So instead of importing Pandas, I'm going to import from FireDucks the Pandas as PD. And I'm just going to comment out this one here. I'm going to run now. So now every time I use PD, I'm actually using the Pandas implementation of FireDucks. which they share the same interface. So nothing in my code has to change. So let's rerun everything here. Just gonna go through all of it so you see what the performance optimization was. If I run this, that took 2.81 seconds. So 2.81, if I make that division, that's 4.5 times faster without changing anything else. Literally a single line, I was able to optimize my code 4.5 times, make it 4.5 faster. This is a no-brainer. If you have an application, if you're using Pandas, check out FireDucks. Again, there is a GitHub repo here, explains everything that you need to know. They have more examples here. They have compatibility charts, etc. It's not only faster than Pandas, but it's even faster than Polars, which is an alternative to Pandas. And the good news with FireDucks is that you don't have to change anything. Their website says that it could be up to 48 times faster than Pandas. I think this is a no-brainer. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.